Hi students, today part C, IIT Foundation and Olympiad problems. Our problem, 21st problem. I will read the problem. Viraj and Vikram each have certain number of apples. Viraj says to Vikram, if you give me 15 of your apples, I will have twice the number of apples left with you. Vikram replies, if you give me 15 of your apples, I will have the same number of apples as left with you. Find the number of apples left with Viraj and Vikram. See, if you see the problem, you think that this is difficult problem, but it is very easy. You have to use our brain. See, first I will take, let Viraj has X apples and Vikram has Y apples. Now you see, first you read, Viraj says to Vikram, if you give me 15 of your apples, if you give me 15 of your apples, I will write first what Viraj says. Viraj says, if you give me 15 of your apples, I will have thrice the number of apples left with you. If Viraj takes 15 apples from Vikram, he will have X plus 15. Now Vikram already has X apples. He has taken 15 apples from Vikram. Now Vikram has only Y minus 15. Already has given 15 apples to Viraj. Viraj is having now thrice the number of apples left with Vikram. X plus 15 is equal to 3y minus 3 15s are 45. Now x minus 3y is equal to minus 45 minus 15. Now x minus 3y is equal to minus 60. This is equation 1. Now we have to write another equation. Now Vikram is saying, if you give me 15 of your apples. Vikram has Y apples. He has taken 15 apples from Viraj. 15 is equal to how much apples left? How many apples he is having? I will have same number of apples left with you. How many apples left with Viraj? X minus 15. Now you see, this can be written as y minus x is equal to minus 15 minus 15. Then it can be written as minus x plus y is equal to minus 30. This is equation number 2. We have two equations. X minus 3y is equal to minus 60. Minus x plus y is equal to minus 30. You see, you take these two equations. Equation 1 and what is the equation 2? X plus y is equal to minus 30. This is equation 2. We have to add these two equations because we are having plus x and minus x. That's why we have to add these two equations. Adding plus x minus x cancel. You will get minus 2y is equal to minus 90. You will have minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 45. You got y is equal to 45. Substitute the value of y is equal to 45 in one of these two equations. I will take this equation, x minus 3y is equal to minus 60, and substitute the value of y is equal to 45. 3 into 45 minus 60. You will have x minus 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 135 minus x minus 135 is equal to minus 60. Then it can be x minus, I will write here, x minus 135 is equal to minus 60. X is equal to 135 minus 60. X is equal to, you will have 75. 135 minus 60, you will get 13 minus 6, 7, 75. X is equal to 75 and y is equal to 45. You will have x is equal to 75 and y is equal to 45. Let us check whether our answer is true or false. Verification, I will do here verification. Now Viraj and Vikram. Viraj is having, x means Viraj is having 75 apples. 75 and Vikram is having 45 apples. Now Viraj says, if you give me 15 of your apples, you take 15 apples from Vikram. He is taking 15 apples from Vikram. 45 minus 15, 30. And he 45 minus 15, he will have 30. And he is having 75 plus, he has taken 15 apples from Vikram. 75 plus 15. Now Vikram is saying, if you give me 15 of your apples, it becomes 90. And I will have thrice the number of apples left with you. How many apples left with Vikram? 30. Thrice the number of apples means 3 into 30. And also you will have like this. Now Vikram replies, if you give me 15 of your apples, means Vikram has taken 15 apples from Viraj, means 45 plus he has taken 15. Then what Vikram says, if you give me 15 of your apples, I will have the same number of apples left with you. How many apples left with Viraj? 75 minus 15, he is having 60. You see, 45 plus 15 also equal to 60. Like this, Viraj is having 75 apples and Vikram has 45 apples. Hi students, what is our 22nd problem? Yogita sold a table and chair for 1050 rupees, thereby making a profit of 10% on table and 25% on chair. If she had taken a profit of 25% on table and 10% on chair, she would have got 1065 rupees. Find the cost price of table and chair. First, you have to understand what is cost price and what is selling price. What is, suppose cost price of a table, any table, cost price 120 rupees. What is the cost price of a table? 120 rupees. Suppose I am telling you 120. What is the selling price? If the profit is 10% or 25%. 25% or 10% I will take 10% profit. What is the percentage of profit? 10%. What is the selling price? Cost price is 120 rupees. And profit is 10% on the chair or table or anything. What is the selling price of the chair or table or anything? What is the profit? Means 10% of the cost price. 120 rupees, 120 by 10% means 10 by 100. 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, 12 rupees. What is the profit on table or chair? 12 rupees. What is the selling price? Cost price is 120. Selling price. What is the selling price? 120 rupees plus 12 rupees means 132 rupees. Selling price of table I will take. What is the selling price of the table? Cost price plus profit. Cost price plus profit. What is the cost price here? X rupees. What is the profit on cost price? The profit will be on cost price. Means what is the percent? 10%. 10 by 100. Now x plus x by 10 is equal to 10 is the LCM, 10x plus x is equal to 11x by 10. Now we have to find the selling price of the chair. What is the selling price? Selling price of chair. What is the selling price? Cost price plus profit. Cost price and profit on cost price. What is the cost price here? Y rupees. Y plus 25% profit on chair means cost price. What is the profit on cost price? Is 25% means 25 by 100. 25 ones are 25 fours. You are getting y plus y by 4. If you take LCM, 4 is the LCM, you will get 4y plus y means 5y by 4. Like this, say, what is the, she sold it for 1050 rupees. Selling price of the table plus selling price of the chair is equal to 1050 means 11x by 10 plus 5y by 4. This is selling price of table and chair. What is the total? 1050 rupees. Similarly, if she had taken profit of 25% on table and 10% on chair, she would have got 1065. You see, 25% on table means I will do here x plus 25% on table means 25 ones are 25 fours are means x plus x by 4 means you 4x plus x 5x by 4 5x by 4 plus and 10% on chair. What is the selling price? Means she will get 11y by 10 is equal to, what is the selling price? 5x by 4 is the selling price of the table and chair is 11y by 10. What is the total? What is the total? She got 1050. She would have got 1065. Total selling price 1065. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have to solve these two equations so that we will get the values of x and y. That is the cost price of table and cost price of chair you will get. I will take LCM for this one. Say 10 and 4. What is the LCM for 4 and 10? 2 2s are 2 5s are 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. I am doing this one. 20 is the LCM. 10 how many times? 2 times it will go. 2 into 11, 22x plus 4 5s are. I will multiply with 5. 25y is equal to 1050. Now you see 22x plus 25y is equal to, you multiply 20 into 1050. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, you will get 2 zeros. Now 22x plus 25y is equal to 21,000 you will get. This is equation 1. Next, what is the second equation? I will take LCM. What is the LCM here? 4 and 10 means you will get 20 only. 4 5s are, I will multiply with 5. 25x plus 10 2s are means 22y is equal to What is 1065 into 20? 1065 into 20. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 13, 2 1s are 2. 23, 2 zeros. This is equation 2. I am multiplying this with, see, you got 10, this is 1065. 1065. Now 25x plus 22y by 20 is equal to 1065. You multiply this with this, you will get 25x plus 22y is equal to, you multiply this with this, you will get, if you multiply 10 in 1065 into 20, you will get 213. How many zeros you will get? 2 zeros. Means 2 into 1065, 2130 and 1 0 here. Now this is equation number 2. Now you have to solve these two equations. This equation and this equation, first and second equation. You will get the values of x and y. That is the cost price of table and cost price of chair you will get. Next, I will rub the board and we will solve these two equations so that you will get the values of x and y. Now solving these two equations, see, you multiply, I want to make these two terms same, I will multiply this with 22 and 22, this with 25, so that I want to make these two terms equal and cancel. Then you will get the value of x. Next, see 22 into 22. See 22 into 22, 484x. 484x plus 25 into 22 means 25 into 22. 25 twos are 50, 25 twos are 550. What is it? 550. 550y is equal to 22 into 210. 21 into 22. 22 ones are 22. 44, 46, 460. Means you will get 4, if you multiply this with 22 into 21,000, you will get 462. Means 3,000. Next, you multiply 25 into 25. 625 x plus 25 into 22. You will get 550 y is equal to, you multiply this with 25. 213 into 25. 25 3s are 75. 21s are 25 ones are 25, means you will get 32. 25 twos are 50, 53. 53 and 25, 2 zeros. Now subtracting this from this, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus 550 minus 550 cancel. Then 625 minus 484. 625 minus 484. 1, 12 minus 84, 5 minus 4, 1. 141x is equal to 530, 5325 minus 40, 5, 0, 13 minus 6, 7. You will get minus, here you will get minus 141x because 625 is big number, is equal to minus 705. How many hundreds? This means 70,500. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 70,500 by 141. How many times it will go? It will go for 5 times 5 ones are 5, 5 times it will go hundreds, so that x is equal to 500. Means cost price of the table is 500. We have to find the cost price of chain. Now the value of x is 500. Substitute the value of x in one of these two equations. You see 22x plus 25y is equal to 21,000. What is the value of x here? 22 into 500 plus 25y is equal to 21,000. Next 25 in 22 into 500 means 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 11 hundreds plus 25y is equal to 21,000. Now 25y is equal to 21,000 minus 11,000. See 21,000 minus 11,000. You will have 10,000. Y is equal to 25y is equal to 10,000. Y is equal to 10,000 by 25. 25 ones are 25 fours are. You will get y is equal to 400. As x you got 500 and y you got 400. See, cost price of table is 500 and cost price of chair is 400. Like this you have to do, and you have to prepare pair of linear equations from the written problem, and you have to solve the equations.